Smartphone touch screens have become more advanced, but issues like unresponsive screens on Samsung Galaxy phones still occur. Don't panic, there are quick methods to fix these glitches. Solution 1. Force restart your phone. Force restarting is a quick fix for touch screen issues, clearing the device's RAM and stopping background processes without losing data. To force restart a Samsung phone, hold the volume down and power buttons for 10-15 seconds until it restarts. Solution 2. Remove the phone case or screen protector. Damaged or poorly designed phone cases and screen protectors can cause touchscreen issues. Tight cases may block touch detection, and low-quality protectors can reduce sensitivity. Remove them to see if the screen works better. Solution 3. Clear the screen. Dirty screens can cause touch issues. To clean your Samsung phone, power it off, then use a clean, dry cloth or alcohol pad to scrub the screen. Wipe away excess liquid with a microfiber cloth and let it air dry before use. Solution 4. Check the charger. A broken charger can prevent your device from charging and cause touchscreen issues. Try using a working charger, and avoid using the touchscreen while charging for better performance. Solution 5. Enter the safe mode. Step 1. Turn off your Samsung device completely. Step 2. Press and hold the power button until the Samsung logo appears. Step 3. As soon as the logo appears, release the power button and quickly press and hold the volume down button. Step 4. Continue holding the volume down button until the device finishes booting, and you'll see safe mode in the bottom left corner. Step 5. Test the touch screen in safe mode. If it works, restart the phone and uninstall any recently installed apps. Test the screen after each uninstallation to identify the problematic app. Solution 6. Factory reset Samsung. If software fixes don't work, a factory reset may be needed, but it erases all data. Be sure to back up your data first, either using a computer and Samsung Smart Switch, or third-party tools if the screen is unresponsive. Step 1. Turn off the device completely. Step 2. Press and hold the volume up button, power button, and Bixby button if available simultaneously until the Android logo appears. Step 3. Release all buttons once the logo appears, the device will enter recovery mode. Step 4. Use the volume down button to scroll through the options and select wipe data or factory reset. Step 5. Press the power button to confirm the selection. Then select yes to confirm again. Step 6. After the factory reset is complete, select Reboot System Now and press the power button to restart the device. Solution 7. Fix the Samsung system issue in one click. If previous solutions fail, try using a professional tool like Android System Repair to fix the unresponsive touchscreen and other Android issues, such as black screens, app crashes, and boot loops. Step 1. Open Android System Repair on your computer and select the System Repair option. Step 2. Connect your Samsung phone to the computer via USB. Then choose Android Repair Now. Step 3. Select Samsung as your device brand, then pick your model. Agree to the terms and click Next. Enter OOO and press Confirm. Step 4. Follow the on-screen prompts to put your Samsung device into download mode. Once done, click Next. Step 5. The tool will download and verify the correct firmware for your device, then start the repair process. Solution 8. Contact Samsung support. If the issue persists, it could be a hardware problem, like a damaged digitizer. Contact Samsung support or visit a service center for professional repair.